Hi, it's Lynette here. So today I've got a box that's a wee bit different for me. It's the first time I've had this beauty box. It is the OK Beauty Box. Now, Bryony told me about this, and when you first order a box, you can order it either on a subscription or as a one-off box, but your first purchase, I think this was £7.99, and it included the postage and packaging, which is amazing as an offer. And then after that, I think it's £14.99 if I was to order another box. So I think Lynn, All Things Beauty, I'm sure she's had these boxes before, and I think Joella might have had them before, but it was Bryony that alerted me to this one. And it tells you a little bit on the front about what's in the box and the brands, and it gives you the prices, which is good. I've not done that for a wee while. So we've got the Double Duty Beauty Edit. I'm going to take products out one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products for £7.99. That's fantastic. So this is Revolution Skincare London AHA Smoothing Body Cleanser. So I've used a shower gel before. I don't know what the difference is between a body cleanser, but it's got fruit acid blends and lactic acids. Leaves skin feeling renewed, and it's vegan and cruelty free. And I'll see what the blurb says about it. It's worth £6 for 200ml. Great skincare doesn't stop at the neck. This cleanser is formulated with the lactic acid and glycolic acid to slough away dead skin and reveal softer, smoother texture. Glycerin locks in moisture, sweet almond oil conditions, and prebiotic inulin boosts your microbiome. So that was £6. I'm not sure if I would pay £6, but I'll let you know how I get on with that. The next item, and this is a big kind of ticket item, it's Avant, and it's reconstructing, couldn't speak there, Keratin Complex Ultra Shine Hair Cream. So, how much are they going to tell us this is worth? It's always worth a fortune. So this is 25ml deluxe travel size, worth £17. So it's supposed to leave your locks soft, smooth and shiny while stimulating growth and soothing the scalp. It's a lightweight formula that minimises the look of split ends and frizz. You just take a small amount, apply it to clean hair, and you don't need to rinse. So we all know that keratin's really good for your hair as well, isn't it? So the next one is a brand that I do like. It's Percy & Reed, and this is I Need a Hero Wonder Shampoo. I've used a lot of their products before, from boxes mainly, but I've never tried this shampoo. And what we've seen here, it's 50ml travel size, worth £10. Just use it as normal, and it says look after multiple hair needs with this award-winning sulfate-free. Now sulfates can irritate a lot of people's skin, and there's a couple of products in shampoos called the Itchy M's, which you would try and avoid if you have an itchy scalp. However, I was on a group and a lady kindly gave me all the ingredients that can cause itchy scalp. So if you can't go a day without washing your hair and your scalp feels itchy, it's probably your shampoo or conditioner. So that's not got the sulfate in it, which is good. Sometimes though, when they've not got certain ingredients, they don't foam up. Other ones do, but sometimes if you're looking for a foam in your shampoo, it can be missing. But the ingredients that give you the foam, I think it's like SLS or something, they can sometimes kind of make your scalp itchy as well. I bought one of these purple colour shampoos and my head was itching, it was horrible. So this is a brand that I've tried a couple of times, Dr. Eve R Youth. It's vitamin E, peppermint and lip plumping gloss with the vitamin E. So there we go. These lip plumping glosses though can be a bit nippy. They can sting your lips, so just be careful. I remember putting one on one night and giving Steve a kiss, and he was like, my lips are burning. Just give him a peck on the lips. So that's it there. I do have quite a lot of lip products that I need to use up, so I'll probably pop this in a box to use another time. And last but not least, how much was that, by the way? That was full size, worth £40, so it's an expensive brand. I've never bought it. I've only ever got it in boxes. Now this is a product that I have actually used because my son got it from his friend, and it's Pixie Clarity Lotion Oil Free Moisturiser. This is a bit smaller than the one that I've got, but it's full size. I must have an extra large one, worth £24. So it's oil-free, lightweight, water-based formula, smooths the look of pores and locks down shine while immediately boosting hydration. So you put this on, you can put this on morning and evening. So it gives a matte finish, which is quite good, and makes an excellent makeup primer. I thought that said soothes feet. No, it doesn't soothe your feet. So this is it here, the Pixi Clarity Lotion. I do like the Pixi. Oh no, it's the same size as the one I've got. So that'll last a good wee while. And I do like the tube because you can squeeze everything out of it. So I will add up the totals for you and I'll put it in the description box above. So that's the Pixi Clarity Lotion, the Dr. Eve R Youth lip gloss, Persian Reed shampoo, the Avant hair cream, and the Revolution body cleanser. So I'm not kind of trying to get back into really purchasing a lot of beauty boxes, but this one at that price is a new member. I just couldn't refuse. But I haven't put it on subscription. You can just pop on and buy the box as and when. But my next box would be $14.99 plus postage and packaging. So that's it there. If you're a new member, don't forget, always forget to say this, to like and subscribe. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye guys.